Hello everyone and welcome back to another quick tutorial. Now today I'm going to show you how to clear your cache and cookies of your web browser, right? Whether you're using Firefox, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, I'm going to show you for these three browsers how you're going to be able to clear your cache and your cookies and keep your browsing experience smooth and secure by clearing unwanted data, right? First of all, as you can see, I've opened up a plain new tab in Firefox, right? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go on the top right here on this menu, and then we're going to go to settings, right? This is the first thing we're going to do. Next thing, privacy and security. This is where you will find things things regarding your privacy and security settings, obviously. Next up, we're going to be looking for where it says cookies and site data, and this is exactly what we're looking for. As you can see here, your stored cookies, site data and cache are currently using 1.3 GB of disk space. So once you hit clear data, you basically have cleared everything that you wanted to clear. You could also, if you wanted to do so, put a tick this box here so it deletes cookies and site data when Firefox is closed. And this is basically very easy for how you're going to do it with Firefox. Next up, we're going to cover Google Chrome. Now, Google Chrome is also very much used by a lot of people out there, and same thing with Firefox. Sometimes you may want to clear your cache and cookies, right? If it isn't for enhancing performance, right? So again, as you can see, I've opened Google Chrome, and if you can just open a new tab, right? And first things, what we want to do is we want to head over to settings. So it's up here on the top right corner, these three dots. Where you want to go is right to the bottom where it says settings, and then you will be here. Thereafter, we're going to look again for the privacy and security tab, which is down below. And then you can see here at the bottom, privacy and security. There it says clear browsing data, clear history, cookies, cache, and more. And if you go there, you could basically choose to do so. Browsing history, cookies, cache, and others. You can basically choose what you want to clear. There is also some advanced options that you can change, like for example, browsing history, download history, cookies, and other site data, cached images and files, and so forth. And once you hit clear data, you're basically good to go. Right, last but not least, probably everyone's favorite browser out there, Microsoft Edge. Now, again, with Firefox and Google Chrome, same as in Edge, you may want to clear at times your cache and cookies. So we're going to proceed again as follows. You click on the top right three-dot menu and you go right down to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to choose privacy, search, and services. And here it is. When you scroll down, it says clear browsing data. This includes history, passwords, cookies, and more. Only data from this profile will be deleted, so make sure you're in the right profile for which you want to clear. And then it says here clear browsing data. Now you could basically click on here and choose what you want to clear. And as soon as you click on clear now, you are finished and good to go. And this basically concludes a very quick and short tutorial on how to clear your cache and cookies in Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. And the same procedure is pretty much the same for every other browser out there. And yeah, with that, I would like to thank everyone for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, then do consider leaving a like and subscription to my channel. And if you have any further wishes or suggestions for future videos, feel free to put them down in the comment section. As always, thanks for tuning in. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys next time.